This is John with WTI. And while I'm always trying to eat healthy options that are always going to be high protein so I can always still feel full, this GNC lean protein comes into place. And one of the things that I like the most about this lean protein is how easy it goes in my stomach. This vanilla flavor that is just tastes awesome. It never gives me a sensation that my stomach is hurting. Sometimes a lot of proteins could go really hard on your stomach, or you could feel the flavor that is too heavy to digest. But this one was actually really good. At the same time, it's great because it has a high amount of protein, 25 grams of protein. It's low on sugar. So if you're really trying to be in a situation that you're trying to reach your protein intake for the day or protein goals, actually this one is going to help you to reach there while being low on sugar, easy to digest, and with a great flavor of vanilla. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.